Just how quick is the all-new Land Rover Defender OCTA in a drag race against the mighty Mercedes-AMG G63? Well, today on Motor Vista we're going to find out in a series of epic battles. First up, let's talk specs. The original Land Rover Defender we have here packs a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 producing 525 horsepower and 625 nanometers of torque, sending power to all four wheels via an 8-speed auto gearbox. It weighs around 2,600 kilograms and when new, cost just under 119,000 pounds before going off sale. On the other hand, the new Defender OCTA takes things to another level with a BMU-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 635 horsepower and 750 nanometers of torque, again via an 8-speed auto and AWD system, but it's slightly lighter at 2,510 kilograms and costs from 148,000 pounds. So, which is better, supercharged or turbocharged? That's what we're about to find out. But before we line up, let's do a sound check because these V8s deserve to be heard. The old Defender with its upgraded Quicksilver exhaust has that deep, raw muscle tone with a hint of whine from the supercharger, while the OCTA sounds savage with those twin turbos adding that addictive spool. Personally, I love that whining supercharger noise. It feels like old school power, but Sam reckons turbochargers deliver better drivability and more grunt. Do you agree? Drop a comment below. Now, massive thanks to VPL for providing us the OCTA for today's test, and if you're thinking about selling your car, check out Motor Vista's partners. We make it simple and fast to get the best price for your vehicle. Alright, let's race. 3, 2, 1, go! Off the line, both SUVs launch hard, but the OCTA's extra horsepower starts to show, pulling ahead and crossing the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds compared to the old Defender's 13.7 seconds. That's progress. Now, let's try a rolling race from 50 miles per hour in comfort mode over half a mile. Again, countdown, go! The OCTA absolutely surges ahead thanks to that torque and turbo punch, leaving the old Defender struggling. Next, we lock both in third gear, manual mode, and go again, same result, the OCTA walks it. Brake test from 100 miles per hour. The OCTA digs in and wins again thanks to its lighter weight and Michelin tires, while the older car with Condis can't quite match it. But I'm not done yet, because here comes the twist. I've brought in a Mercedes-AMG G63 to take on the OCTA. The G-Wagon runs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and a monster 850 nanometers of torque through a 9-speed auto and AWD, weighing in at 2,550 kilograms and costing 180. Time for the G-Wagon versus OCTA showdown. First, a sound check. The G63's exhaust is pure AMG theater with deep rumbles and some cheeky pops on the limiter. Let's see how it performs. Drag race, round 1 both launch, but the G63 storms ahead and takes the win, clocking 12.8 seconds against the OCTA's 13.0 seconds. The AMG's torque and gearing really make the difference off the line. Rolling race? Same story. The AMG kicks down harder and faster, dominating every run. Brake test. Surprisingly, the OCTA claws back with a slightly shorter stopping distance. But I'm still not satisfied, so I've got one more trick up my sleeve, the ultimate wildcard, an Ariel Nomad. This off-road weapon has a 2.3-liter turbo four-cylinder with 310 horsepower and 518 nanometers of torque, rear-wheel drive, a 6-speed manual, and weighs just 715 kilograms. Yeah, that's less power, but with a third of the weight, it could be a giant killer. Launch control engaged on the Nomad. 3, 2, 1, go! The G63 rockets off, but the Nomad hooks and storms past, finishing in 12.6 seconds. Sam thinks he can do better without launch control. He does, smashing a 1.1 second run. Rolling race? The Nomad wins again thanks to its insane power to weight. Brake test. The Nomad stops like it hit an anchor, beating the G63 easily. Then I had to have a go and nailed an even quicker 2.0 second pass in the Nomad, proving lightness beats brute force. So, here's how it ends. The OCTA beats the old Defender easily, but loses to the AMG G63. The Nomad? It embarrasses both luxury SUVs with pure lightweight engineering. Which would you choose, the unstoppable G63, the new Gen OCTA, or the Mad Nomad? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and if you love this showdown, subscribe to Motor Vista for more insane drag races and ultimate car battles. Oh, and check out the leaderboard on our site to see where these beasts rank among the fastest we've ever tested. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.